Changing the language on Hulu on TV is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through how to do it. To begin, when you're watching TV, simply access the playback controls by selecting the gear icon. This icon is typically located at the top or bottom right corner of the screen while playing content on the app. Once you've found the gear icon, select it to open the options menu. Within the options menu, you'll find a list of available languages and other settings related to the content you're currently watching. If you don't see multiple language options, it likely means that the show or movie you're watching only supports one language, such as English. And that's all there is to it. It's a quick and easy process. I hope you found this video helpful.